Guys, in this video, I will show you how you can fix Steam error code 107. So without further ado, let's get started. First of all, go to the system tree on the top, on the bottom right corner, and then completely exit Steam here. And once you do that, then you need to go to the search button here, and then go to run. And on run, you just need to write %, local app data %, press OK, and then you need to look for Steam and delete this folder, right? And once you delete that, then you need to locate your Windows icon here, and then you need to right click on it, go to settings, and then you need to go to time and language, date and time, and then disable set time automatically and enable again. And if the problem persists, another thing that you need to do here is to run Steam as admin. So on search, just look for Steam, and then open file location, and then go to properties, compatibility, and make sure to run this program as administrator here, and then press apply OK. And the problem, if the problem persists, you need to reset your network settings. To do so, you need to open up CMD or command prompt and run as administrator, and you need to put these commands one by one. So the first one is ipconfig/flush DNS. Second one is nesh winsock reset, and another one is nesh int IP reset. So put these commands one by one, and then after that, restart your computer, and you need to look if the problem persists or not. And if the problem persists, the last thing that we can do here is to change our DNS settings. And to do so, on the top right, bottom right corner, you should see your network and internet access icon here. So you need to right click on it, go to network and internet settings, and then go to advanced network settings, and then scroll down until you see more network adapter options. Then right click on your internet here, and then go to properties. Make sure internet protocol version 6 is disabled, and then you need to look for internet protocol version 4, double click to it, and then select this option. Use the following DNS server addresses, and on preferred DNS server, you just need to write 8.8.8.8, and on alternate DNS server, you just need to write 8.8.4.4. Apply the changes, and then you just need to restart your computer, and the problem should be fixed, right? So that's pretty much it. And if I help you out, please press like button and subscribe for more. Take care. Bye.